Hello, welcome back to Italian Food Boss. Today guys, I've got a scrumptious snack idea for you. Focaccia of potatoes. I don't know how to translate in English, but we are gonna mash some potatoes, add some Parmesan cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, then a bit of potato starch, oil, salt, and then we make a potato patty, and then we put like a bit of provolone and a bit of ham in the middle. Then we pan fry them lightly for like 10-15 minutes, and I'm gonna show you when you open them you have that ham melting and the cheese melting, and then you put it in your mouth and it's like a volcano erupting. Guys, very easy as usual. This is a recipe that your wife, your husband, your children, everybody would love. It's gonna take less than half an hour to make, so let's start now. What I've done, I have boiled half a kilo of potatoes, and I don't even want to take the skin off, it doesn't need to. So we mash them now with a fork, simply. For half a kilo of potatoes, just boil them in a pan with water. I didn't add any salt because I don't think it needs, because when we're gonna add the Parmesan cheese, and then we are gonna add anyway some salt now here. And now we add 4 spoons of fecola di patate, which is potato starch. It comes like this. We add it and slowly we incorporate it in the potatoes. So we do this type of work here. This will give a bit of consistency to the patty. Okay, and now we add a bit of oil, olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, about 4 spoons. Again, make sure that everything gets incorporated very well. So this is good because it gives you some exercise. I can feel my right arm already getting pumped. Now it's time to add the Parmesan cheese that we grated. Again, a couple of spoons. 1 and 2. And keep working. Our potato mix is basically almost ready. And now out of this we will create like a few discs focaccia that we will use to put them inside the provolone cheese and the ham. Now we have the potato mix ready. Okay, you see? So now what do we do with this? We shape it in our hands in the form of discs. You can help yourself by wetting your fingers a bit. This will help in creating a nice disc. So you do this kind of shape. I mean, it doesn't have to be really perfect. There was this guy, right? Giotto the painter. He did a circle perfect circle with his hands. But I'm not Giotto, so we do what we can. With 500 grams of potato that I mashed today, we get basically 3 focaccine, so for 3 people. Okay, so now the next step is to try and slice our provolone so that we create some cubes, because now we want to put those cubes between the 2 discs. Okay, so we slice them like this with a bit, just to check that it's good, and then we do this. Okay, cubes. That's it. We do this. And then let's see how many we can fit. Now we heat the pan a bit and we put some olive oil in there, because we are going now to assemble our focaccine, and then we will cook them in the pan. We have the focaccine. Now we put a few cubes, you see, of cheese in there, like so, and 1 slice of prosciutto, così, something like that. Then you decide how big you want them, how much cheese and stuff you put in there. Perfect. And then you cover them like this. You make sure that they are sealed somehow. And we have this prosciutto trying to escape, this ham. 1, and we keep doing this for all of them. This is the result that we want. 3 focaccine, nice and tidy, with the provolone cheese and ham inside. And now we put them in a pan to gently fry, and they will gain some nice color. Not like, I would say, a medium heat for at least 6-7 minutes per side, and let's see what we get at the end. That's what you do while you wait that each side gets golden. Now we get the first side golden enough, I think. It's gonna be, yeah, it was about, you see, 7-8 minutes. We turn them from the other side. That's it, look at this, nice and crispy. And we let it go for another 7-8 minutes this side. And we keep drinking our red wine. And golden they are. Look at this. I'm looking forward to try them. Let's get this. Ay, ay, ay. And now we have also special guest Aurora. È vero?
Yeah.
Look at this. Look at the cheesy cheese. Vuoi assaggiare?
Yeah.
Wow, guarda cosa c'è, prosciutto anche. Brucia però, eh?
Okay.
Mm.
Papa, you didn't put prosciutto on. What? Put my prosciutto on there.
You want prosciutto?
Yeah.
This one, look at this. Prova. Com'è? È buono? Is it a bit hot?
Yeah.
È un po' hot? It is a bit hot. But it's good, guys. Is it good, Aurora?
Yeah.
Is it a bit hot?
Yeah. Tot prosciutto dai.
Vuoi prosciutto?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at the one with the prosciutto. It's very hot.
Yeah. You can blow it.
Guys, thanks for following my channel. Give it a like if you like this recipe. It's really good. Look at this. Wow. Look at the cheese and the prosciutto. Amazing. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. That's how it's done in Italia. I'll give it to you. Bye. Saluto Aurora.